My friends, we are in trouble in the United States of America. Our food is no longer nutrient dense. Research United States Senate Document 264, and you will see the big problem that we're now facing in America today. This document stated that we did not have enough nutrients in the soil of the United States to give nutrient-dense foods to Americans. This is very alarming because today what we have going on is a lot of GMO, a lot of chemicals, preservatives, and we don't have real food. Supermarkets are also taking away our freedoms by giving us less healthy choices, tailoring to the highest corporate bidders and removing small farms and mom and pop shops from competing. You are no longer allowed to have healthy choices to bring home healthy meals for your kids. Corporate mass marketed and packaged products are a problem when you bring them home to feed your family, for they do not have what your bodies need to grow healthy and strong. So what is the solution to all of this? The solution is you. It's me. It's our neighbors. It's our communities. The solution is within our reach. It has always been there and it always will be there. Stop supporting supermarkets that are taking away your right to healthy food. Search for the source yourself, which means everyone that has a backyard or a plot of land can create their own source of organic food. Right now, easily, cheaply, organically. So why haven't we done this? It's because we're still hypnotized into thinking other people will take care of us. And the solution is start to learn to farm yourself. It's not hard, it's very easy. Imagine if you and I in our whole neighborhood all grew something, doesn't matter what. Your neighbor could have cucumbers and you can have tomatoes and you can switch and swap. One day you're eating one thing, the other day you're eating another. You're getting everything you need and you didn't have to go to a supermarket to pay for pesticides, herbicides, and junk processed foods. So my friends, start today. Begin by learning how to farm, even small, even throwing some seeds onto some soil, and see what God provides for you. Because when man gets involved, he always messes up the processes of God.